Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to review September's BattlePass. Nuclear Nebula. Oerlikon GDF-4, 35mm. New VIP cannon. It delivers massive firepower against both surface and air targets with a high probability of critical damage. One of the features of this cannon is that it is easy to use and locks on the target and no aiming is required.
Directed. Enemy warships destroyed. Heading 050. Half ahead. The target has been locked.
It is also very effective against aerial targets. Phenom. New UAE helicopter. A light military unmanned helicopter. Its weapons include Browning M2 HBQCB, the 12.7mm heavy machine gun with a quick detachable barrel, B-8 V-20 UV, an aircraft block of unguided rockets with an 80mm caliber, PH-5040, 40mm. One of the important features of this helicopter is that the flare does not affect its weapons. Another unique feature of this helicopter is that it can be reloaded in case of destruction. P-750 Meteor TEM. New missile batteries. A cruise missile capable of underwater launch. Legendary fire element camouflage. HJJ-30. Chinese 300mm 8-barrel rocket launcher.
Weapon ready. Full speed ahead.
This grenade launcher is very useful for targets on the surface of the water and does relatively good damage. But it cannot hit underwater targets. Epic camouflage AIR element. Bofors L50. Swedish twin-barreled 120mm caliber. This is one of my favorite cannons in modern warships. The features of this cannon are good accuracy, fast reload, and good damage. Tu-160M. Russian bomber. Supersonic, variable sweep wing heavy strategic bomber. Its weapons include X-555X-12, Russian cruise missile, Cap-250X-6, laser-guided aerial bomb, X-101. A laser-guided missile flies wherever the sight is aimed. Rabnuke. Nuclear freefall bomb. Helma P. New laser air defense. The performance of this laser against air targets is relatively good. RF Tark Kirov. Epic ship and cruiser class which can be compared with similar ships like RF Tark Poiter.